So the next reaction, so with the reduction reaction, reduction. So alcohols when react with the hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, that directly gives hydrocarbons. So this function goes to as a alkane function, and also water is eliminated plus iodine. Okay. So alkanes as a major product. Alkanes. So for example, ethanol. If you take ethanol, okay, now with the hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, we will get to ethane as a major product. Ethane, right? This is about the reduction reactions. Next to oxidation. Very important. Oxidation is very important. Very important, right? So there is a sequence for the oxidation, always mind it. So if I take primary alcohol, this is 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, when upon oxidation, if it initially gives aldehyde, right? It gives aldehyde. This is again further oxidation. It gives carboxylic acid. Further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Okay. So all alcohols, primary alcohols, first oxidation gives aldehydes, and further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. So here from here to here, okay, now mild oxidants we can use. Mild oxidizing agents can be done this. Okay, now alcohols gives only aldehydes. If you use very strong oxidizing agents, the directly alcohols gives final products. Okay, na? So that is strong oxidizing agents. Right? This is the case of primary alcohols, right? So primary alcohols when react with oxidizing agents, the first they gives aldehydes, then after further they gives carboxylic acids. With mild oxidizing agents, the reaction stop at aldehydes, and at strong oxidizing agents, if used, the reaction goes to and over oxidation completely. Carboxylic acids are the products, right? So then, what are the mild oxidizing agents? I will tell. Okay. So if you see mild oxidizing agents, generally here mild oxidizing agents or oxidants. Mild oxidants. So number 1, pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC antaru. Pyridinium chlorochromate, and the next chapter we will discuss deeply PCC. Okay, now pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. That means pyridine, okay, now plus chromium trioxide and HCl we can use. This mixture if you use, that is called pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, now. So the solvent is dichloromethane we can use. This is the solvent, right? Next to second PDC. PDC means pyridinium dichromate. Okay, pyridinium dichromate, and also pyridinium dichromate and chromium trioxide plus HCl. Okay, now this is as a Collins reagent. This is also called Collins reagent, right? So these are the mild oxidizing agents. Right? So now, next to number 4, HCrO4, okay na, with sulfuric acid in the presence of acetone. This is called as acetone. Okay, this is the Jones reagent. Jones reagent. Okay na, Jones reagent. So if you use these reagents, generally they gives the aldehydes or ketones and some strong oxidizing agents. Strong oxidants. Strong oxidants, if you see, okay. Um, the best reagent is KMnO4, potassium permanganate in acidic medium, and the second one is potassium dichromate, Cr2O7 in acidic medium, okay na, and the third one is concentrated HNO3, nitric acid. So these are the very strong oxidizing agents, okay na? So widely we will use these two for the case of strong oxidizing agents. For the case of mild oxidants, we can use these three, okay, we can use all also, okay. So these are the oxidizing agents, right? These are the oxidizing agents, and okay, right. And also you can take bromine in water, okay. Bromine in water also, this is a mild oxidizing agent, right? So next, so in the presence of mild oxidizing agents, so example, so primary alcohol RCH2OH. If you use PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, the product is aldehyde. This function is going to form aldehyde, mind it, okay na? So for this same reagent, if you use a strong oxidant, for example potassium dichromate, Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic medium, the direct COOH will be formed. This is a strong oxidant, this is a mild oxidant, okay na? Mild oxidant, strong oxidizing agent, right? Now, okay, so this is the case of primary 1 degree alcohols, and the case of secondary alcohols, if you see, so next to secondary alcohol, okay. So secondary alcohol, if you take secondary alcohol with the mild oxidants, PCC, okay na, they gives ketones, okay. These are ketones. Even if you use strong oxidants also, like KMnO4 in acidic medium or potassium dichromate in acidic medium also, the products are ketones. Right? So then even mild oxidizing agents, even in strong oxidizing agents, mild oxidant, okay na, here strong oxidant also, the ketones will not break because CC bond must be break, so high energy required, so ketones not undergoes oxidation further by using these oxidants also, okay na. And these are the case of secondary 2 degree alcohols, right? 2 degree alcohols. Now if you take 3 degree alcohols, okay na, even with mild oxidants, even with strong oxidants, okay na. So if you use PCC or if you use KMnO4 also, okay na, then if you I will take a beautiful example with the PCC, no reaction, okay na. The mild oxidants, so tertiary T degree alcohols do not undergo oxidation reactions, okay na, tertiary alcohols. With the strong oxidants, what happen? Now we will see, okay na. With the strong oxidizing agents, okay, I am going to rub this.